Minasan, konnichiwa. Vina Sensei po, kumusta po kayo? So, long time no see po sa pag-produce ko, paggawa ko ng video today. But today, so I would like to start my YouTube channel and thank you for all the subscriber of my YouTube because my topic for today is about Japanese language proficiency test which is na mag-held siya on December 1 no, in the Philippines, in Limassol and in Davao. Okay, so our topic today is about the review of JLPT N5, so which is proficiency, Japanese language proficiency test of N5. Okay po, let us review na in N5 covers of Mina no Nihongo. So there is lesson 1 to 25. Okay, for those nag-study na ng Japanese language ng N5 equivalent of Mina no Nihongo 1 to 25. So let us review about the particle first or Joshi. Okay po? So I will share my topic for today. So about how to use the different particle po. Okay po? Okay. So in Mina no Nihongo, so this one is they call it Yoshi. Okay po? So the use of particle wa, for example, the particle wa is topic or the sentence topic sa atin pong sentence. For example, watashi wa maikumira desu. Okay? And next, watashi wa asa okuji ni okimasu. Samba sakura wa kirei desu. Okay? Another use of that is Nuyok wa ima naji desu ka? So, if you consider it, so lahat ng topic of the sentence followed by particle wa. In grammar notes natin, so there is the noun wa, noun to des. Okay po. Next is the use of particle mo. So the particle mo means also. Okay, example, Maria sang mo, Brazilian gin. So there is a first sentence, for example, Ana sang wa, Brazilian gin des. And then Maria sang mo, Brazilian des. Okay, this is the equivalent of also, meaning same topic. Okay, another example, kono ni muso mo onegaishimasu. Dochira mo suki desu. Okay, the next is they also use for the dokue mo. So this is interrogative particle e, and the particle is mo. So they do not use it in negative. So ikimasen desu ka is for the negative. So it is matic if it is interrogative, just like doku, nani, dare, followed by mo. So and the verb conjugation is matic po is negative po, either if it is past or present. Okay po? So that's the use of particle no. Next is particle no. Okay? So the different kind of use of particle no is example is possessive or ownership, or also what kind of explain the noun to yes, and also the explain the product of the country. For example, ano hito wa IMC no Mirasan des. Okay, so there is the belong to IMC, company of IMC, Mr. Miller. Okay po, si Mr. Miller. Okay, and the computer, computer no, Hondes, meaning, so that is the, what kind of computer is this? Okay, computer no, Hondes. And possessive or ownership, watashi no kasa desu. So this is ownership, watashi no, meaning mine. Okay, so Nihon no, Nihon no, jidosha desu. When you say Nihon no, jidosha desu, so this is the, what kind of. So this is a Japanese car. Okay, so yan po ang gamit na mga particle no. Okay, what kind of pronoun. Next po, ownership, kono kabanwa sato sang des. Okay po, next is particle po. Usually, watashi wa juso o namimasu. So this is noun po, transitive verb po ang ating pong pattern. Okay, for example, Eto, ryoko o shimasu. So, yung mga ginagamit ko sa particle o is mga verb, different verb. Okay? So, next, and then for example, kaisha o yasumimashita. Particle po yan, matu. And also, if the verb is dimas, matik po yung particle po. Bakit? O dimas. Okay? Eto, what other using of dimas? If you can see, the verb is dimas, means go out, and also urimas means take off, and also koenos samposhimas, and also shingo o wata take kudasai, and michi o mazuku ikutte eki o arimasu. So lahat po yan, if you see the verb dimas, orimas, samposhimas, watatte kudasai, and mazuku ikuto eki ga arimasu. Particle po agad yan. Kung nakita niyo po sa verb. Okay po. The next is particle ga. What's the use of particle ga? Okay, so if you see on our lesson, ang Minano Nihongo, there is sukides. Ito naman po yung ginagamit for the adjective. If you see the adjective sukina, or this is suki, so particle ga. Watashi wa itarya ryori ga, particle ga po ang gamit. If you see the suki, and then mirasan wa ryori ga joutsu desu. So, ga joutsu desu means skillful. Okay, Nihongo ga sukoshi wakarimasu. Even though wala po siyang sukoshi, if you saw wakarimasu and arimasu, particle po agad yan. If it is also a questioning, so arimasu ka, ga pa rin po yan. Okay? And also the imas and hoshides and dekimasu. Okay? So there is particle ga. Kung nakita niyo po sa exam. So for example, ga sukides, ryori ga joutsu desu, ga sukoshi wakarimasu, ga arimasu ka, and ga futari imasu, and also ga hoshides. Okay? Noun ga hoshides. Suki ga dekimasu ka? So dekimasu, particle ga means can. Okay? So even though this is may ka at the end for questioning, so noun ga dekimasu po ang sentence pattern. And also irimasu, so to po. Another is hito ga imasu. When you see imasu and arimasu, imasu of having exists of living things, and also ga arimasu exists of non-living things. So particle ga rin po yan. And also if you see the eto noun ga, eto adjective, so particle ga. Okay? Another is sampo sangwa sega takaida. So there is tall. Sega referring for the height of the person. Okay? Watashi no nudo ga itai desu. So for our part of the body, for example, nodo ga itai desu. Okay? The next is eto use of eto baso to duchira ga. If you see the duchira, particle ga po yan. And then the answer is densha no ho ga hayai desu. Oh, next, suppotsu de yakyu ga ichiban omoshiroi desu. So if you see the ichiban, so the answer is ga. Okay, the particle used is ga. Another thing is the phenomenon. So ame ga futte imasu. Particle po agad ka. Okay, kore ni saru to. So what does it mean? Relevant, no? Saru to mizu ga demasu. So demasu, particle ka. Oto ga chisai desu. Again, so ga, so noun ga adjective desu, no? Next, konsato ga uwatte kara sokoji ni ikimasu. Okay? Uwatte konsato ga, so this is the topic, the use particle ga. Tekara, and use, this is sokoji ni particle ikimasu. Yakusoko no jikan ni tomodachi ga konakattara do shimasu ka. Tomodachi ga, so siya yung topic, doer, tomodachi ga konakattara do shimasu ka. Tsuma ga, no? Ikoki no toki, no? Tsuma no ga byoki no toki kaisha o yasumimasu. If you see the kaisha o yasumimasu, so particle po. Okay? Karina-san ga itta e wa dori desu ka? Ga. So the doer, kaita, siya yung, yung verb na ginawa niya. Next is Santo-san ga wine o tsukurimasu means korimashita. Okay? And then, dare ga hukani o karate korimashita ka? Dare ga. Okay? Okay, let's go on particle ni. So, the use of particle ni. So, the ni okimasu. So, time ni, usually time ni. Okay? The sangatsu